Wizard and Cat, Episode 36, The Crack in the Wall. Tom walked around his lab.
I must help Tink,
he said. Just then, Anne rushed in.
The king said to come quickly,
Anne said. Tom and Cat ran outside. A crowd was gathered at the wall. Water poured from a crack.
Tink was looking at that crack,
Tom thought.
Do something, Tom!
Dirk cried.
I have an idea,
Anne said. She handed gum to each person.
Chew!
Everyone chewed. Cat ran to the grim dungeon.
Now throw your gum at the crack,
Anne said. Everybody threw. The gum plugged the crack.
It's working,
Tom said. Then all the gum fell off. The leak got bigger.
Wizard!
Said the king.
Fix it now!
Tom pointed his wand at the crack.
I wish.
Poof! Fish appeared.
Oops,
Tom said.
Do something, Wizard!
Dirk yelled.
Or join your friend in the grim dungeon.
Tom closed his eyes. He waved his wand and... Tink and Cat appeared.
I can fix that leak,
Tink said. Soon water stopped pouring from the crack.
Tink is a bad jester,
Said the king.
but he's a great tinker.
Good work, Tom.
Said Anne.
You saved the day.
Tom felt proud. And so did Cat. Wizard and Cat, Episode 37, A Spell for Princess Mary. Tom was in the royal lab. He was mixing a potion.
I need a potion to undo spells.
He said.
I make so many mistakes.
Cat licked a paw and watched. Tom mixed water with some herbs. He added dragon scales and flower petals. The potion turned bright green. Princess Mary hurried into the lab.
Wizard,
She said.
I need help.
Tom bowed quickly. He bumped his head on the table.
Ouch!
He cried.
What's wrong, Princess?
Princess Mary sighed.
Father wants me to get married. So 5 princes are coming to the palace tomorrow. I must choose one for my husband.
Do you want to get married?
Tom asked.
Maybe.
The princess blushed.
If one of the princes is nice. But how can I tell if one is truly nice?
Tom scratched his head.
That is a problem.
Can you use magic?
Princess Mary asked.
You could find the nicest prince for me.
Okay,
Tom said.
I will try.
He bowed again. This time he knocked over the potion. It spilled on the table. Poof! The table disappeared.
Oops.
Tom's face turned bright red. Princess Mary smiled at Tom.
Thank you, Tom.
She said,
You are a very kind wizard.
Wizard and Cat, Episode 38, The 5 Princes. The 5 princes arrived at the palace. One was tall and handsome. One was short and round. 2 princes looked strong and fierce. 1 prince was quiet and shy. They were all polite. They bowed to Princess Mary. They talked about the weather. Tom peered into the throne room.
The princess looks bored.
Cat whispered.
Those princes are being too polite.
I must do a good spell.
Tom said. He pointed his wand at the princes.
Let the princess find,
He said.
a prince who is kind.
Poof! The 5 princes turned into frogs.
Oops.
Tom said. The king stared at the frogs.
What happened?
He cried. He spotted Tom.
Wizard, did you do this?
Dirk had an evil smile.
Throw that wizard in the grim dungeon.
Tom hung his head.
This is my worst mistake ever.
He thought. The king looked very worried.
Tom, turn these frogs back into princes at once. Their kingdoms will be angry with me. This could start a royal war.
The queen gasped.
A royal war?
Princess Mary was giggling softly.
I guess you must do it, Tom.
She said.
Turn them back into princes.
Tom bowed.
Of course.
He said.
But I don't know how.
He thought. Wizard and Cat, Episode 39, A Kiss and a Potion. The handsome frog glared at Tom. The fat frog ate lots of flies. The fierce frog started to fight. The shy frog hid under the table. Cat whispered to Tom.
Good idea, Cat.
Tom said. He turned to Princess Mary.
A kiss might undo the spell.
He said.
A kiss?
The princess made a face. The king frowned at her.
Kiss the princess, Mary!
He yelled. Tom caught one of the frogs. Mary kissed it.
Ugh!
Tom watched the frog. But the frog stayed a frog. Dirk laughed loudly.
Tom will never undo this spell,
He said.
I will make a potion.
Tom said. He hurried to the royal lab. Tom mixed some things together. The potion turned black. Then, boom! The potion exploded.
Oh no!
Tom moaned.
Those princes will be frogs forever. I will be put in the grim dungeon. There will be a royal war. Cat, this is all my fault.
Tom said. Cat rubbed against Tom's hand.
You have a good heart.
She said.
We can find a way to undo your spell.
Cat licked her paws slowly. She said at last.
I have an idea.
Wizard and Cat, Episode 40, A Wonderful Spell. Tom and Cat ran back to the throne room. Tom pointed his wand at the frogs. He mumbled some strange words.
Huh?
The king shouted. Poof! The frogs turned back into princes.
You were right, Cat.
Tom said.
I said the spell backwards, and it worked.
Ahem!
Princess Mary cleared her throat. Everyone looked at her.
I watched the princes while they were frogs, and I learned a lot.
She pointed to the two fierce princes.
You fight too much.
She pointed to the prince who ate lots of flies.
You are too greedy.
She looked at the prince who was hiding.
You are too shy.
Then she pointed to the prince who was glaring.
You are too angry. Father,
Princess Mary said.
I cannot marry any of these princes.
The king sighed.
I want you to be happy. You must wait until you meet the right prince.
Thank you, wizard.
Princess Mary said. She gave Tom a quick kiss. Dirk scowled.
Isn't Tom going to the grim dungeon?
He asked.
Of course not.
The king said.
Tom cast a wonderful spell.
Tom smiled and petted Cat. Someday Princess Mary would find a prince.
But not yet.
He thought happily.